So guys, we have a new laptop here, Macbook Air. Problem was it is a broken screen. What we will do now is just replace the screen. There, okay. We have the new one here. So we'll just replace it. So first we will open the back cover. We will be using Pentalob screwdriver number 5. First thing, on every device you open, and if you want to fix something, remove the battery. It is necessary to remove the battery first. So now guys, what we are doing is we will remove this Wi-Fi antenna, this 4 screws. guys, this is the Wi-Fi antenna, and now we can proceed to removing the screen. On removing the screen, you need the proper tools. Now we will be using Torx number 8 Torx screwdriver number 8. As you can see, I leave the center screw, so there's a purpose on that one. I leave I remove the two screw, and I leave the center screw, so that I will do like this. Open the screen, then remove the screws. In this way, it will be easy for us to remove the screen. Now I am removing the center screw. After, see, you can easily remove the screen. Guys, remember the hinges, this one, the angle of the hinges, we should follow this angle when we insert the new one, this angle. This is the new screen, so see the angle of the hinges. We should follow that angle, the original angle, for us to be able to easily put the screen, the new screen. This is the new screen, and we'll be doing like this. Make sure all the flex cable are inside these cables. So now we can easily put back the screw. Put the center first. Then close it. In this way, loose the screw, then align the LCD, the screen to the top case, or I mean the body. You can align it easily in this way. Then tight the screw. While tightening the screw, do not overdo it. Just make it stick there, not tight it hard. Now we have the screen, so we will put Wi-Fi antenna back. This Wi-Fi antenna have block on the center, so just push it there, and it will be locked. We will just remove some cover here so that we can put on the new one. These covers are important for the flex gate. Guys, I am making videos like this because you can relate to it, you can do it by yourself. these videos are just a guide, not like the other videos that are changing parts on the board, or that kind of repair is only for highly trained technicians. So these videos is for just like us, normal people. Everybody can do it. So now guys, we've returned everything. We replaced the screen. So now we will try if it is working good. Insert the charger. So now guys, as you can see, it is working good. So guys, these videos are for normal people like us, that don't have deeper knowledge on fixing Apple products. These are relatable scenarios that I just share to you, to all of you. Anybody can do these things, and it will save you money. You don't have to pay a lot of money just to change the LCD, the screen. You can just order the screen and put it by yourself. Unless if it's like a motherboard repair, that's another scenario. So guys, please subscribe to my channel, and just to support me to be able to make more videos that are simple and relatable to everybody. As you can see now guys, it's all working. So please subscribe to my channel, and hopefully I can share you little knowledge, and these videos are relatable to all of us, so everybody can do it. And I hope you will support me subscribe and hit the notification bell to be updated for more videos from me, and just for me to be able to make more videos for you. So take good care and God bless.